Hello ninth graders, and welcome to your instructional launch for week 11. This week we're going to be talking about the project that you're going to be starting, fact or fiction, and you're going to be reading some literature. So where do you find the books that you need to read? You will go to your About page. Here it is, About, and you'll notice that there are two new classroom materials, each with two readings in them. I would start first with the fiction. Read the first story, which is an Agatha Christie novel. Click the link, it takes you right to this nice site that will read it for you as you read silently along. If you go fast, it's going to read it for you.
I regret exceedingly, said Monsieur Hercule Poirot.
Okay, that's one. We will also be reading a classic Charles Dickens novel, very short novel, The Christmas Carol. You might even be familiar with it, but it's nice to read along with the chapters.
Chapter 1. Marley's Ghost.
So yes, for this project there is a lot of reading to fiction and to non-fiction. These are rather short. One of them is about Carol Dweck's open mindset or growth mindset, and the other one is an article about social media, this one based in Australia, but rather interesting. So again, if we look at this from a summit point of view, you're going to see that defining self has already been, or should have been, accomplished by November 1st. We're already into November. We're going to be working on this fact or fiction, and you're going to be reading and writing. So first, I suggest that you read so that you have enough evidence in your fiction, and that is why I start with the stories, the Dickens and the Agatha Christie. And then later you're going to be discussing factual information. And then you're going to be writing a letter. Okay, so now your participation question, so that I know that you've watched this video, you need to post in a class comment, when is the due date for this project? Get started now. It's easier to do it now than having to catch up later. Have a great week.